Have you ever dreamed of writing a book but felt overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the task? Perhaps you have brilliant ideas but no time. Or you struggle to organize your thoughts into chapters and publish a book that not only exists, but sells. The good news is, with the right artificial intelligence tools, writing a complete, sellable book is no longer reserved for professional authors. It is possible, it is efficient, and yes, it can be profitable. In this video, I am going to walk you through how artificial intelligence can help you plan, write, edit. Let us begin. Every great book begins with one powerful question. What value will this deliver? This is where AI steps in. Using tools like ChatGPT, you can brainstorm unique angles in minutes. You are now creating a scaffold that you will later fill with depth anecdotes, research, and personal insight. I begin by prompting, generate 10 book ideas on productivity for remote workers, or give me emerging niches for personal finance books in 2025. The results are surprising, sometimes even better than what a marketing team might deliver. The goal is to choose a concept that solves a real problem, speaks to a clear audience, and is narrow enough to stand out, yet broad enough to sell. Before you write a single paragraph, you need a skeleton, a table of contents. Again, with ChatGPT or Claude, you can input, based on this idea, outline a full 10-chapter nonfiction book, including what you receive as a clean roadmap. How can this introduction be more engaging for readers aged 20 to 35? Now, do not stop there. Ask AI to expand on each chapter's summary. This step alone removes 70% of the mental load that keeps most aspiring authors stuck. Here is where the real writing begins. For your cover, Canva's AI-powered templates are a game changer. If you want to go premium, hire someone on Fiverr, but still use AI to draft the creative brief. That is not a book. That is a transcript. You are not going to paste the AI's output and call it a day. Then revise, rewrite, reorganize. These platforms allow bundling, discount codes, and affiliate features. This is not about working harder. It is about working in parallel with intelligent assistants. It is like having a creative partner who never gets tired. For each section, prompt it to write in your desired tone, be it educational, persuasive, humorous, or reflective. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate promotional images for social media. Instead, use AI. Tools like Sudowrite are brilliant for creative authors. They can continue your sentence, rephrase clunky dialogue, or even generate metaphors based on your theme. Once your draft is complete, AI editing tools like Grammarly, Hemingway App, and even ChatGPT with editing prompts come into play. Today it requires clarity, creativity, and the courage to let AI become part of your process. Use Grammarly for grammar and sentence clarity. Use Hemingway to identify overly complex sentences, but go deeper. Prompt ChatGPT with Act as a professional editor. What emerges is not just correction, but elevation. Your voice remains, but sharpened. Your book could be your next income stream, authority builder, or legacy project, and with AI it might take weeks, not years. Once the manuscript is polished, you need to think like a publisher. Use Atticus or Reedsy for formatting your book for Kindle, iPub, and PDF. Your book should look like it belongs on a bestseller list, because appearance equals credibility. You now have a book. What next? Publish it on Amazon, KDP. It is free, it is global, and it is fast. List it on Gumroad or Payhip if you are targeting niche audiences, especially if your audience comes from a YouTube or newsletter following. Prompt ChatGPT to write your Amazon description, author bio, and promotional emails. Writing a book once required months of uninterrupted solitude and hundreds of cups of coffee. You are not cheating the craft. You are refining the process. Your story still matters. Your insights still matter. But now, your excuses, they do not. If you are someone who has been sitting on an idea, waiting for the right moment, this is it. This is Byte to Bank, where your ideas meet intelligence, and intelligence meets income. If this inspired you, do not forget to subscribe and share it with a creator who is ready to become an author. Until next time.